Hey, it's Drew. It's about 18 hours before launch, and I'm just making some final preparations, and I've built a model to explain to you what's going to happen in 18 hours. Let's take a look. So, that is the rocket. Okay? That's me. That is someone else, and that's someone else. Over here, watching from a safe distance, is the cameraman filming what's going to happen. Okay? And then the spectators will be watching. Alright, what's going to happen is I'm going to pull the switch, and then the rocket will hopefully launch. And when it hits about a couple hundred feet, I don't know how many feet, maybe a couple hundred feet, yeah, the top of the rocket will break off, the chute will be deployed, and hopefully the parachute will catch wind, and then it'll land safely around the launch site. If something goes terribly wrong, we will have a bystander with a shotgun to shoot the plane or the rocket out of the air in case something goes horribly wrong and it's of danger to us. Then we'll shoot it. Or we might shoot it anyways.
Button.
Okay, now I'm recording. I thought I was recording before.
Tell them we're cold.
I can't find him now.
Okay, I'm just hooking up the thingies to the igniter now.
Oh, you watch with us. So cool. Be okay.
I can't find him. Oh, there he is.
Okay, we're all set.
Yeah.
Okay. 10, 9.
Holy crap.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Like in the clouds?
I don't even know where it is. I have no idea where it is.
Where is it?
This is falling.
I'm just setting up the rocket for launch 2. So, what I'm going to do is take 3 sheets of wadding paper, crumple them up, and put them into the tube. That's 1, 2, 3, and just push them down in there. And that is so the fuse, so the engine doesn't burn up the parachute. And then I'll take the parachute and fold it. Just pull that tight, like that. Pull it over, and then roll it up. And from the other side, roll the chute. Put the chute in there, and then just kind of nicely place everything else into the tube. Pop the top half of the rocket on there. Good to go. Now I'm going to take the fuse, or the engine, this is called the engine, C65, which means it's C, which is the most powerful. It's going to shoot up for 6 seconds, and it's going to wait 5 seconds to deploy the parachute. So you just pop that in there, and then take the igniter, that in there, and this pink plug, pop that in, and then just make sure that the igniter cord things are spread apart, and then I'll pop it onto the launch rod, Okay, I'm just going out to launch the rocket. It's about 30 seconds to launch time. I'm just walking out to the launch site, which is in the middle of the lake. There were some slight miscalculations because I lost the safety key, but I think I found an alternative. So that should do. Okay, we're at the launch site. Let me show you. Here we are at the launch site. Here's the rocket, the Saber. It's wired to the launch pad. So let's see if the safety key works. Here's what's going down. Okay, I'm gonna prop the camera in the snow. I hope that doesn't wreck it. So this is the sky, and hopefully you'll be able to see the rocket. All right, here we go. About 10 seconds to launch. Countdown. 10.
What's that thing?
9. That's the camera. 8.
Oh.
7. 6. 5. 4. Ready? 3. 2. 1. We are launch.
Oh, no.
Wow, that went really bad.
Oh, no. What happened?
Wow, that was. I don't know.
You never put it right?
I think I had it loaded right. The whole thing just blew in cahoots. It caught on fire.
Too much wadding.
Doubt it.
Well, why would it come apart at the top like that?
Probably not enough wadding.
How much did you add?
I had 3 sheets, which is the usual. I think what happened.
But that source said 2.
No, that's what I said. I was wrong. The instructions said 3. Okay. What happened, I think, was the problem was that the wadding wasn't put in properly.
Yeah, because it shot up instead of down.
Yeah, the whole rocket, the engine blew, but it also shot the wadding out.
Yeah.
Either it was a faulty engine or it was the wadding.
Wadding.
And then it blew the top out and then it lost control.
Because it blasted the top out and all that pressure that should have been directed down was directed up.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try it again?
Yeah.
We're gonna chase the rocket, baby. Are you gonna chase it with me? Are you gonna chase it? Are you gonna chase it with me? Are you gonna chase it with me? Are you gonna chase it with me?
Ready?
Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I see it still. Okie Dinah. Where is it?